Beautiful. Little camera shy.
I don't know.
Okay, how about if I sit here, can you do like a kickflip right there? This is a fisheye, it'll catch it. That was the one, that was the one. Thank you so much. Can I take a picture of you guys? Oh yeah. Sweet. Thank you. It's gonna be like a portrait, and I was thinking like friend vibes of like you like laying near each other closer. It's a very tight lens. If that's cool with you, I'm excited. I like your outfits. Yeah. The cigarette's real nice actually too. Yeah, switch hands for that. Yeah, it's perfect. That's the one. Can you like lean in a little bit? Like, yeah, like tilt the, yeah, that's perfect, perfect, perfect. Beautiful. Thank you very much. He's so sweet. Ready?
She's petrified.
Yeah.
She's scared. So
Little camera shy.
Oh, we gotta do that.
Oh.
First time in a year, actually gone somewhere out of the house. Like she's gotta walk up and down the block and back home.
She's unfamiliar.
Yeah. She's scared.
What's her name?
Prada.
I like it. Prada. Well, bye, Prada. It's okay.